Hey guys, JP here and welcome back. So the topic today is gotta be one of my favorite features on Binance, Launchpad. But before we get into that, just a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say here should be taken as financial advice. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. That being said, I also wanted to give a quick plug. If you like this video and want to keep up to date on all our new content, please subscribe, ring that notification bell, and like the video. You can also check us out on our website at digitalcurrencypros.com. And be sure to keep an eye out for all new videos, merchandise, and any competitions that we might be offering. Anyway, now that all that's out of the way, my name is JP, your resident crypto nerd and media maker here on Crypto Corner, a digital currency professionals production. And our topic today, Binance Launchpad. So let's begin. To dive into our topic today, we're going to be answering a few simple questions. Those are, number 1, what is Launchpad? Number 2, how does it work? Number 3, what are some of the benefits and maybe some of the risks? And number 4, in our live demo, we're going to show you how you can get started. So, number 1, what is Launchpad? Well, Binance Launchpad is a token launch platform that helps blockchain projects raise funds and increase their reach across the crypto space. So these projects, which are rigorously reviewed before they're announced on the platform, basically allow users to obtain tokens before they go to the Binance markets, in addition to allowing users to stake their own coins to obtain newly launched coins using the launch pool feature. So, number 2, how does it work? Well, as I said, new projects are announced on the Launchpad platform semi-regularly and offer up new opportunities to users to buy into these projects. Additionally, Binance provides full advisory services for new projects. So these keep you informed and give you all the details about the new project and where it's going to launch, as well as giving you links to their website. So the strong support by the platform, they help both users and creators by encouraging development and lending their experience to the launch. So number 3, what are the benefits and some of the risks? Well, new blockchain projects always get me excited. There's a huge potential for growth, and having some in-depth experience and knowledge into the product is always helpful. Also, being able to collect coin on Binance before anybody else is pretty cool. Of course, as always, all trade carries risk, and as such, you never know how some of these projects are going to perform on the market long term. However, even Launch Pool, which allows you to stake the coins over a period of time to collect new coins, your coins are locked in that staked position during the period of that. So you can't use them to trade in any other kinds of trades, meaning you're somewhat, at the mercy of the market while your coins are staked. However, given the heavy traffic around new coins and the potential for earnings, even a small amount of staked coins make for a very attractive feature. Overall, as in everything in life, new projects are exciting, risky, and always something I personally keep an eye out for on Launchpad. So number 4, how can you get started? Well, I promised you a live demo and I'm here to deliver. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to load up right here on our Binance feature. We're going to open up the Binance app. So once your app is open, you're going to go over here to your home page, and you're going to see here, right there on the front, Launchpad Hot. You're going to click on that. So this shows you the hard cap per user, which was about 1,025 ACM, which at the time was going for about 20 BNB. This also will give you a link to the website, the white paper, the facts, and the ACM research report that was produced by Binance, as well as detailed rules around the launch feature. It also shows you the subscription timeline there, and from everything from the period, the calculation period, to the final token distribution. And finally, I'll show you how much BNB was committed to this particular project, which was about 5,709,829. And the total participants, which, as I mentioned before, was 27,414. Now we didn't commit any BNB for this session, but what I will show you in addition to this is the launch pool feature just below. So here, as you can see, we have 2 in progress. We have our Dodo coin in a BNB pool, and we have the LIT coin also in a BNB pool. Now, as you can see, this is being updated in real time, and I'm getting 0.0004 Litecoins pretty much per second added to that. Now, as you see in the bottom here, I have a little notification that says pending harvest. I'm going to click on that. That's going to open up for my rewards, and that's going to say harvest all. So I have the option here. I'm going to harvest my Dodo, which I have 0.9, and my LIT coin 0.4, harvest all. Boop, and I got it. That'll be transferred immediately into my spot account. It also shows my staked funds, which right now is 0.3 of a BNB. All right, guys. So that's everything there on the Launchpad feature. That's how you access it. Also show you here real quick, you got your custom allocation. This lets you move it back and forth. So if you want to stake more BNB on Dodo or LIT, you can easily move that around. So I can just here, for instance, if I wanted to hit the max, see there, I got 0.0499 that I can just move around and stake on my Dodo. And that's all for the Launchpad feature, guys. If you made it this far into the video, I want to thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the content. If you want to keep up to date with us on our channel, please remember to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for any new videos, merchandise, or contests we may have. If you want to sign up to Binance today, please use our referral link down in the description for 10% off trading fees. Anyway, guys, that's all from me. My name's JP. This was Crypto Corner, a digital currency professionals production. I hope you have a great day. Keep it crypto, everyone.